Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for your support and love. I love you all too. And if you're just tuning in for the first time, you are also highly welcome. Thank you. Sit down, relax, enjoy our videos and cookings. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this yummy and delicious plantain akara. I didn't know about this plantain akara until I saw it in one of our sisters' channel, Tasty City. Tasty City. I'll leave her channel in the link below in case you want to see her own version of it. I made this with green plantain, unripe plantain. I used 4 unripe plantain. To make this, I used 1 red bell pepper, onion, 1 green pepper, salt, some seasoning cube. I used 1 actually. I have garlic and ginger there, and fresh pepper. It's a frozen fresh pepper, yellow pepper. So I'll just take little amount of it. So we start by peeling and slicing the plantain into smaller chunks because we are going to blend it. I have thoroughly washed the plantains, so I'll go ahead and cut it into smaller chunks or pieces to make it easier for blending. We are done with the onions and peppers. Looking so good. We're also going to be using 1 egg for this recipe. And in this case, I'm going to use this egg as the liquid or water for blending because I'm not going to use water to blend the plantain. So this egg will help with the blender and the blending. I'll pour the egg into the blender. I'll slice the garlic and the ginger and also add it to the blender. Pour the plantain into the blender. I will blend the remaining onions alongside with the plantain and the remaining pepper. Add a little of the fresh pepper, the yellow pepper. It can be too spicy, so add pepper according to your taste buds. I added 1 seasoning cube. After blending, this is what you will have. So thick, isn't it? But if your blender cannot carry it, add it a little water, just as you would for akara. Don't add much water, just a little water. Pour it into a bowl and start mixing it. You can mix it or beat it with your hand mixer or electric mixer. Add it a little salt and continue mixing. After mixing for about 2 to 4 minutes, it would have become lighter. Then add the veggies and mix everything together. Then heat up your oil just the same way you do for beans akara and gently scoop the batter into the oil and fry. Don't let the oil to be too hot. When it has cooked on both sides like this, with this golden color, remove from the oil. Repeat the same process until you fry the whole plantain batter. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you our green plantain akara. Woo! It was so delicious. Try it, you will love it. So very delicious. The peppers and the taste it gave, especially the green pepper, it gave it a very good taste. So thank you all for watching. I really appreciate your support. Thanks so much. And if you have not subscribed, please hit on the red button that says subscribe and join the family. Thank you all for watching. Hope you try this out. May God bless you all. Please don't forget to keep staying safe. I love you all. See you in our next video. Bye bye.